Hey guys, on today's episode of What's Wrong with Ben's Car Today, we're fixing the fan belt which come off yesterday, and we're going to check the timing and make sure this dizzy's alright, because I'm just not sure it's doing weird things on me. So see how we go. So this is the fan belt, it just come off yesterday. It's like all twisted and fucked, you can't get it to come straight anymore. So I don't know what the fuck happened to it. I think I over tightened it and it didn't like it. So anyway, so we've been into the part shop today and bought a brand newie. But because this one here, even when I straightened it out, it wouldn't fit properly. So I bought one that was a little bit longer today. As you can see there, the 0940, that's how many millimeters it is. And that's 0915. So this one's smaller than this one, but this one is too tight to fit. This one is too big to fit. So this one here is a 0890, which is the smallest, but it was the only one that fit. It was very tight to get on. It didn't like going over the last pulley, so I got it like, I don't know, halfway on the bottom pulley, and then just give the motor a quick blip blip, and it pulled itself on. So I've just tensioned it all up, and she's good. So that's all done. Next I'm going to start it up, and we're going to throw the timing light on, which is already here ready to go. Got that thing there, has a directional arrow on it, faces towards the lead. You've got a clip goes on the battery positive, clip goes on the earth somewhere, and so it's a bit hard to tell on here, but I've got the timing exactly where I want it. It's somewhere between about 13 and 15. I'm not sure if that's exactly where it should be. I'd have to do some Google to find out. But it dropped the revs a little bit. Then I've adjusted the carby to bring the revs back up a little bit, and hopefully that'll make all the difference. See how we go. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've just lost my 10mm ratchet spanner, so like I need some YouTube money. Thanks. Found it. Here we go. Second. Oh, it's still doing it. Oh. So we're only getting like quarter throttle. I gotta go and fix me linkage a bit. It's all fucked up and homemade, dodgy shit.
Oh shit. Oh, we're rolling. It's okay. My head.
Yeah?
Yeah.
that's it for today. I've got to go to bed because I work nights and I haven't slept yet, and I've been too busy fucking around with this today because I need it to go to work, or I could always take the FC. But I like my Datsun. So yeah, as you can see, she's going alright now. It still has a bit of a miss. Anywhere after 5,000 revs, I guess it starts doing it. But I can live with it for the moment. Do the leads, plugs, dizzy cap, rotor button, all that good stuff next. Double check everything, and hopefully get the Webbers on soon as well, because them carbies, they're another big part of the problem. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed. Take it easy. I'll see you next time. Don't get sick.